Step one to being a good investor, win the lottery. No, that's not true. Look, if you have absolutely no money left over to invest at the end of the month, that's unfortunate, but at least you still have a little bit of time where you can learn how to invest. So when that money does come in, you can start deploying it and you'll know exactly what to do at that point. Let me show you something. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go right here and you're gonna click on the menu, which is right here, and you're gonna find all of these resources, including this free Investing for Beginners course. The second thing you're gonna do is get your investing foundation down pat. This is what I mean. You are going to pick one S&P 500 index fund. This is just an example. You will consider investing in one technology-based fund, and you will consider one dividend fund. That's your foundation. Whether you're starting with $10 a month or $100 a month or $1,000 a month, anything is better than zero. The second thing you're gonna do is you're gonna shift your mindset from consumer to investor. You pick up a pair of shoes at the mall and you look at that fund and you go, oh shit, I can get 2 shares for the price of this one pair of shoes. Junk the shoes, buy the investment instead. I mean, let's be honest, you didn't really need those shoes, you just wanted them. And the third thing you're gonna do, the absolute most important thing you can possibly do, smash that follow. Thanks for watching, see you later.